Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing great. And today I was going through the social media accounts on my phone when I found WeChat, and I came to realize that WeChat is a kind of platform that people use to communicate, and WeChat is actually common in China. It is not in the other continents of the world. It's actually most useful in Europe, especially the parts of China. And I came to realize that people were having problems to do with their WeChat accounts. They couldn't log in so easily. They couldn't sign up so first, and they couldn't get their WeChat ID or their QR codes. And then I decided to make a video for you guys to know what and how to use um, the WeChat app as part of the communications platform that can help you communicate with other people from other countries. And it's important to know also that I used to use WeChat when I was learning my Chinese. So when I was learning my Mandarin, I used WeChat because we were learning with some guys from other parts of the country. We were required to have WeChat in our accounts. So actually, when I click on it, the WeChat, this is where it takes me. It takes me to um, it takes me to the first page of the widget, and if you can see, but there is a message from the widget team, and the subscriptions. So subscriptions are actually the things that you have been using the widget for. So you can see the e-Chinese learning, which I have been using to actually learn Chinese. I haven't used WeChat so much, but I was using it to do my Chinese lessons. And when you see down here, you see the chats, the contacts, the discover, and me. And just I'm going to take you so first through the contacts part. That's where you find the contacts that you have on your phone, the people you can actually add to your WeChat account, etc. And in the discover part, that's where you can share things to your friend, you can share your top stories, you can search for people who you want to know in widget, and you can actually scan for the QR codes for other people when you don't have their ID. So for example, let's go to search. That's where it takes you to where you can find the articles if you want to write articles, if you want official accounts of people at the moment. But the thing that I wanted actually to show you guys was changing your WeChat ID and making your QR code, because that's the most essential part of using a WeChat account. So you go to me, the part that's me, and when you want to know your favorites, you want to know your post, your sticky gallery, etc., when you want to change your settings, but you don't go to the settings when you want to change your ID, you just go and tap this QR box right there, and it takes you to the profile. So in your profile, you can change your name by clicking here. Okay, you click there. So that's where you can change your name and write your name whatever you want to write to. So my name, like you can see, is Cyrus. And if you want to change your WeChat ID, you can click on WeChat, but you are always given an option of changing your WeChat ID once, because it just gives you a random WeChat ID like QWX7551. So it's not actually so specific. So you can hit on the WeChat ID if you want to change your WeChat ID. But so it doesn't give me that option again, because you have a choice. Okay, you have to change your ID once. And for the QR code, that's where you create your QR code. Oh, just a moment. Oh, there's no connectivity. I'm sorry, there's no internet connectivity, but actually something not hard. Yeah, see, there's no connectivity. But when you want to change your WeChat ID, you can just click on the my QR code. Okay, when you want to know your QR code and share it to your friends so that I can access it and you can talk together, you can go to the my QR code. And in the more part, that's where you change the gender, the region, you set your status in WhatsApp, and you can set your LinkedIn account, etc. So guys, I want just to tell you how you could change the WeChat ID if there's a problem with you. And as you know guys, I have also another video of how you can create your profile or how you can sign up, because sometimes people experience a hard time when they're trying to sign up. So guys, I think this video is helpful to you. Thank you.